Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Attahar Parveen. Let's quickly see the answer keys for Karnataka TET 2025 paper 1 EVS part. I am making this video to give you answer keys and help you all with the calculating your marks by matching the answers. Okay, so let us start with the EVS first question number 121. The process that generates electricity in the dry cell is, actually in a dry cell electricity is produced by chemical reactions between electrolytes and electrodes, means it is a chemical reaction. Option 4 will be the correct answer. Next question number 122. The force does not cause, actually the force can cause change in velocity, change in shape, change in size. So physical state, force cannot change physical state. Option 4 will be the correct answer. Question number 123. The outermost layer of the earth, it is our crust. Option 1. Question number 124. The pitch of the sound is determined by, the pitch of the sound is actually determined by frequency. Question number 125. The correct ray diagram with respect to reflection of light. See, reflection of light happens in a plane mirror, right? So that's why angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. So here option 2 will be the correct answer. Next, question number 126. An earthquake of magnitude 6 than magnitude 4 is more destructive by. So here actually on Richter scale, each number actually increases in magnitude, means the seismic wave amplitude is 10 times larger, means increase of 1 means it is 10 times larger. So here difference between 6 and 4 will give you magnitude 2. So 10 to the 2 you have to do. So that will be your 100 times. So option 3 will be the correct answer for question number 126. Question number 127. Water stored in a dam is an example of course, potential energy. Option 1 will be the correct answer here. Question number 128. Pressure, it is a force per unit area, right? So option 4 will be the correct answer. Question number 129. 4 magnets are arranged to form a square. The polarities of A, B and C respectively are. So they have given polarity of D as N. So it is a north pole. So at A it should be south pole. Then at B it should be north pole. Then at C it should be south pole. So option 1 will be the correct answer here. Question number 130. A lustrous non-metal, it is actually iodine. Option 2. The amount of water vapor in air, we call it as humidity, right? Option 4. Air is an example for, in air you have so many other elements, right? So you can call it as a mixture. Option 4. It is a commonly known as a black gold. Question number 133. Black gold means petroleum. Question number 134. The base that conducts electricity, caustic soda. Question number 135. The process of conversion of liquid into solid state, freezing. Best example is ice, right? Water converts into ice, means solid state, liquid to solid state. Question number 136. The gas released when acetic acid reacts with baking soda, it is carbon dioxide. Question number 137. Correct increasing order of fuels based on their calorific value. For this you should be knowing the calorific values. If you know, you will understand that option 1 is the correct answer. Lowest to highest it is going. Okay. Question number 138. The gas used for respiration in plants, oxygen only, right? Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food is actually from the options pulses, proteins, right? Next, question number 140. An example of renewable resource, here it should be water. Question number 141. Red data book includes the records of, actually it is including the records of endangered animals and plants. Option 3 will be the correct answer here. In human digestive system, hydrochloric acid is secreted at, of course, stomach. Rhizobium bacteria is found in groundnut plant. 143. 1 will be the correct option. 144. The jelly-like substance is actually a cluster of eggs of a frog, is known as, it is a spawn. Question 145. The correct sequences followed in the agricultural practices. If you read it carefully, you will understand that option 1 is the correct answer. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation. Okay. Question 146. A teacher wants to explain the concept of a pond ecosystem. Which resource would be most effective for providing a direct real life experience? So for question number 146, option 3 will be the correct answer. Question number 147. Environment composite. EVS syllabus, it is actually a thematic nature because there are no separate subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, right? Everything is together. So it is a thematic nature. Question 148. Here if you see the match the following carefully, you will understand that option 3 will be the correct answer. You let me know whether I am right or wrong here. Okay. Question 149. According to NCF 2005, the most important aspect of learning EVS is considered as making meaning and developing the capacity for abstract thinking. So option 3 will be the correct answer here. Question 150. Statement 1. Values are an integral part of EVS learning. Statement 2. EVS learning places more focus on the cognitive domain of the child. So here both statements are true only. They are independent but they do not support each other. So option 3 will be the correct answer here. Okay. So you have to match my answers with your answers and let me know in the comment section how much you are getting out of these 30 questions correct. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.